The best vlogs are always the unexpected ones. So today I was told by many people this morning to vlog again. That's what we're gonna do. Bert's here and Grecia's at school. She just went back to school from Thanksgiving break, so she was off for a whole week. Literally, like, all three of us were at home, but not really at home because we were still doing a lot of stuff. We had been up and down, like, with Thanksgiving and stuff like that, but we're at home again, which is something that you guys do not know, because the last time I vlogged, we were living at my suegra's house, at my mother-in-law's house, and
it was wonderful.
What?
I said it was wonderful.
We needed our own space. We wanted to be back in our home. And if you guys have been watching us, go babe. If you guys have been watching us for a while, you guys know that we moved out of our house 4 years ago. 4.
5, 4, whatever.
We moved out of our house 4 years ago. We moved in with my mom. We lived there for 2 years. And then we moved to New Braunfels, which I don't think we ever told you guys exactly where we had moved to when we left town, but we moved to New Braunfels. We ended up coming back home, and then we moved in with my mother-in-law while I figured out what we wanted to do, because Bert's plan was to move back home, build a house, or remodel. For the longest time, I think I had mentioned to you guys when one of the first vlogs that you guys saw when we came back home, that I think I did mention that we were gonna build, but I had told you guys that he wanted to do it, but the guy's always working and stuff. So we decided to just move out. Like, one weekend we were like, okay, let's move out and let's go back to our house. So we literally did everything over one weekend. We turned on the power, we turned on the water, we fixed what we could, and it's kind of like, it's a mess.
Yes.
It's a beautiful,
but everything was done in 1 week.
It's a beautiful mess. Like, there's not a mess. It's all of the things that have to be done to the house. It's gonna take time, and we're living in it at the same time.
And we were doing everything.
And we're gonna redo everything. So if you guys remember that we were always doing stuff to our house before we moved out of it,
to the kitchen.
we in fact were. We had just put in a brand new kitchen, brand new cabinets, appliances, everything.
And we pulled it.
We gutted everything after we moved into my mom's house, and we put everything into my mom's house. We literally have to buy brand new cabinets, brand new appliances, which we've already started doing.
Brand new couch.
We're gonna need a brand new couch. The only thing that we have that we kept with us were our beds and one TV.
Not even our beds, or just the mattress.
Well, our mattress. Grecia ended up getting a brand new bed set that his parents bought her when we were living in New Braunfels. So literally we have nothing. We have nothing. We're starting from zero, but we're doing this because of financial freedom. We literally owe, and this is
We don't owe nothing.
Yeah, this is where, like, Bert was kind of like drilling me, because I had been telling him, like, let's just build a house, like get a custom built, because he would always tell me, like, we need to like he wanted to have a house that he was gonna like, not one that someone else designed and built or whatever,
or like moving to somebody, like,
yeah, like move into a house that's been there, like that it's been lived in already. So I was like, okay, fine. And then
tell him how many designs I've made.
He's literally sketched I don't know how many designs to fix up the house that we're in right now,
to rebuild, to fix everything,
to my liking, basically, because he's so like, whatever you want, I'll do it.
Even to where the point where we could build a whole new house and make it to where we can just keep adding to it.
Yeah, which is eventually what we're gonna do, because right now it's just the three of us. You know, if ever we grew our family again, like, we would be able to just add to it. So we're gonna fix up our house little by little,
and we're gonna start with the rooms, so everything's in the living room.
Yeah, like, we're sleeping in the living room right now,
and we're gonna start in the back rooms. So once we're done with those, and we move into the regular rooms, and then we start doing the kitchen and the living room again. The kitchen's gonna kind of be like as we go also, so it's gonna be taking place at the same time.
We already knocked down one wall in Grecia's room because we are gonna make her room a lot bigger so that it's the same size as ours, because she's a growing girl. She's about to turn 9. And anyways, going back to financial freedom, I kept telling him, like, let's just build a house. Like, there's so many for sale. There's realtors from Zapata that are always like, oh, we have this house for sale. It's gonna be like on the market in 13 days or whatever. And I would tell him, like, look at this one. I was always sending him like houses, and he would be like, no. And I was like, dude, we need a house. Like, we need to have our own house. We need to be by ourselves again. Like, Grecia needs her own privacy. We need our own privacy.
And it's not because we couldn't afford it.
Yeah.
It's because you're gonna have a 30-year payment. So we wouldn't be done paying this house until we were like 60 something.
Like, our house is paid off.
Our property is paid off for. Our house is paid off for.
It's been paid off. Like, we don't own nothing but the freaking truck that we're driving. So it didn't, after a while, it didn't make sense to be like, okay, let's go get a freaking mortgage for the next 30 years where we're gonna be paying $2,000 a month. Like, in this economy, that's ridiculous. So he kind of like made me understand that, and I was like, yeah, it's nice to have, you know, like a brand new house or whatever, but if this man could literally give me my house and do it and not have to pay anybody to do it, that would be pretty dumb on my part to be like for me to aferrarme and be like, no, yeah, you're gonna buy me a brand new house. Like, girl,
it makes no, to me, it didn't make
sense. And even this morning he told me, he's like, if you like, do you want a brand new house? Because it gets frustrating, like the living situation, but at the end of the day, we're by ourselves, we're in our house, we have a roof over our head, we have hot running water, thank you Jesus, and we have food.
You're so cool.
Literally, like, he was doing some stuff the other day and I told him, like, you're so cool because you know how to do everything, even sometimes it takes you a while,
but it's not hard.
And what'd you say?
Some people,
he said, you know why I know how to do everything?
Oh yeah, because I was poor.
You had to learn how to do everything. But
when you grow up poor, you figure out how to fix shit because you can't afford to pay anybody to do it.
Yeah. The other day I just went and we bought a brand new stove. I was cooking. I had been cooking on like this super fancy electric skillet that I had ordered on Amazon that was super cool, and it was like $115-$120.
It's $130, I think.
It was a really nice. I'll show it to you guys right now. And we didn't bring the other one.
Fuck.
To return it.
You got till January.
Yeah, they ended up sending me another one, so I'm gonna have to return one before I get charged for it. So I'm gonna have to go return that tomorrow. But that's what I had been using to cook on for like since we moved in for like a month. And it was working great and stuff. But the next thing that I need is a sink, because right now I was washing dishes in the bathroom sink and I'm just losing my shit over that. So I know he goes back to work tomorrow, and we were laying in bed right now. I was watching a video and
you were like, I need a sink.
Yeah, I was like, I need a sink. Like, I really need a sink. And he's like, fuck it, let's just go see what we need, and we'll see if they even have it here, because
last time we came to Dr. Ike's.
We're at Dr. Ike's. We don't have a Home Depot. We don't have a Lowe's.
Because Dr. Ike's doesn't exist everywhere.
We don't have a hardware store. This is literally our hardware store.
One of the two.
So
the last time we came here to get a toilet, because the other one was broken. We bought a brand new toilet. Water everywhere from the tank. I saw a sink that was $100, so we're gonna go check if they still have it.
Oh, it's 103. It's a cool one.
It's a big one too. It's not square, but.
Bert's cousin's husband was the one helping us, and he's like, you didn't record none of that? And I was like, no, I got shy. Industrial.
Yeah.
Powerful suction, compact design, rechargeable. Babe, I want this.
I can get it, dude.
And it's $22.99. It was $41. Oh my God. Imagine.
Yeah, from 208 it drops it down to 149 if you take both of them together. So this one.
You hear that?
And I need 2x4s. Studs. Yes. Cheap one. This is the only one that I have.
I'll freaking take it.
You take it? Okay. This is the 63386, I believe.
Put it in the thing, and then
I can wait.
You sure? Yeah. PVC fittings. Fire for that? Yeah, I need a 1/2 inch and then a hot water fitting.
No, it's 1/2 inch off. On the faucet, okay. Bueno, on those, do you have the valves already? Okay, so then you need one of these. 1/2 inch, right? You said?
Yeah.
So then they need
can we do these?
Yeah, you can do those. Well, not those. These.
Can we have the ones pointing up?
Mm-hmm.
This is what?
The one on the other side. No. Yeah.
Oh, the other thing? Yeah, because that's a 90.
See.
$250 later.
But I'm gonna have a sink.
So much money we're gonna spend.
So this kind of sink that he's gonna do isn't gonna be like the forever sink, because we're gonna get like the cabinets obviously, but we have to go to Laredo to get those, and he's gonna work the next 2 weeks straight, so he won't have a chance to like go and do it. So this is just gonna be for now something that will work in the meantime, and then once he's on his days off again, then maybe we can go and get at least the bottom ones, because the whole kitchen layout is gonna change. It's not gonna stay the way that it was before we moved out. If you guys go back, it's not gonna look nothing like that. It's gonna look completely different.
It's cold. I'm wearing shorts.
It's a little bit heavy.
Let's put them down.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine, it's fine.
Easy.
Yeah.
Fuck!
What?
Forgot the drain.
What drain?
For the sink.
It doesn't come with one?
I don't think so. No, it doesn't come with a drain.
So we'll probably have to come back into town. It's already 1. Grecia gets out of school at 3:30, but she has UIL practice today, so she doesn't get out till 4:45. So that gives us a little bit extra time. This is where we're at.
Slide it in between.
Oh, I can't see.
They're right there.
This 1970s wallpaper, the little daisies, and then I did the faux brick, my stove. That's what it once looked like all along here. Guess where we're at again?
This is like, how many times did I go to freaking A's the other day?
En el doctor. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Porque sí.
Because the sir forgot half of the things. He forgot the P valve.
The P-trap.
Oh, the P-trap. And some other things. So we're gonna go get them. I'm gonna leave the camera in the truck.
No, take it with you.
No, I'm shy.
Take it with you.
No, bye.
That little bag.
Okay, another
$70 on top of the 160.
another $74 right here on stuff that he forgot.
He?
Yes.
To be honest, I don't know if it's gonna fit. We gonna try it.
He did the piping, and now he's doing the, what is this called? pipes? No.
Extensions for the
hoses. And then I have a working sink in the kitchen. I forgot I was vlogging again.
I thought you said you weren't.
Well, girl, you know. Tell them the big news.
Well, I just came back from spelling practice and...
From the spelling bee.
And Ms. Hernandez told me I made it!
She made it into the spelling bee.
I made it.
Did you test today?
Yes.
How many words did you do?
We don't know. I'm just kidding, 50.
And how many did you get right?
I don't know.
She didn't tell you the score?
She didn't do it yet. Because like there was 1,000 kids she had to test before us because they all had different events.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
Oh, really? Alright, I'm already getting started on dinner. I washed a whole lot of dishes already. I have them drying right here. But I'm going to get started on dinner. Scratch the tacos. This is what we ended up having. I made nachos, I guess, if you want to call them that. And this is my plate. I also added some chili peppers to Bert's plate too.
Hi guys, we're in the chef's kitchen right now. And I'm going to be making my favorite snack of all time. Oh, sorry, Mom. Okay, so this is the mold I use. You can use whatever mold. You just need a mold and whatever drink you want, to be honest. So first you're going to get, I'm using a cutting board because I ain't got no tray. My mom's using them. You're going to put the molds on top of the cutting tray. So my favorite drink is the sweetened strawberry, naturally flavored with other neutral flavors. But it is the sparkling water. And you're going to pour some in there. I'm a very bad pourer. Here is what it's supposed to look like, and then I'm gonna show you my elf. Why not? This is my Christy girl. Say hi, Christy. Y'all like our tree? Y'all like our tree? Is it cute? I like your cookies. So this is how it's gonna look, and then you're gonna put it in the freezer for about like 30 to an hour. So we're gonna close that slowly. Slowly, yeah, slowly, because you don't wanna, you know, make them drip. Okay, guys, I don't know how long it is. I took a shower. But hello, everyone. That's good.